you still marketing like in 2020? If you are, your competitors are two steps ahead of you. The marketing landscape in 2025 is unrecognizable. And today I'm breaking down the 6 game-changing trends that will define your success or your struggle in the year ahead. Hi, I'm Tony Koenig, the Scaling Founder, and I've spent the last couple of decades helping B2B founders like you scale their businesses with cutting-edge marketing strategies. In this video, I'm going to bring you insights straight from the latest research, including articles or places like HubSpot State of the Marketing Report, which is very accurate, so you can stay ahead of the curve and dominate your market. So trend number 1, AI in marketing and AI marketing. Did you know that 92% of marketers say AI has completely changed how they work? For example, meet Sarah, a B2B SaaS founder who used to spend hours drafting email campaigns. After integrating tools like ChatGPT and Jasper, she's now generating high-converting email sequences in minutes. One campaign even boosted her open rate by 35%. Imagine what this kind of efficiency could do for your team. So what AI tools are you using right now? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear. So trend number 2, the attention crisis. Blog engagement is plummeting, but short-form video is exploding. Let me give you a real-world example. A logistics company I worked with pivoted from long text, heavy case studies to bite-sized TikTok-style videos showcasing their delivery process. One video went viral, attracting over 100,000 views and landing them 3 new contracts in just 1 month. Imagine turning your success stories into snackable content and watching your engagement skyrocket. What story could your business share in 30 seconds? Just think about it. Now, trend number 2, first-party data revolution. With third-party cookies going away, it's time to start collecting first-party data. Here's an example. A B2B software company I consulted for added a simple interactive quiz to their website, asking visitors about their biggest pain points. They not only got 2,000 targeted leads in the first month, but also tailored their marketing based on the quiz results, increasing conversion by 20%. What kind of data could you collect that would add value for you and your customers? So trend number 4, brand content creators. So traditional ads just aren't cutting it anymore. Ad spend and ad cost is rising daily. For example, a cybersecurity company I know partnered with a LinkedIn influencer who created authentic behind-the-scenes content about their security solutions. The result, a 3x higher ROI compared to their previous ads. Just think about it. Who in your industry could authentically represent you, your brand, and connect with your audience? Who is a KOL, a key opinion leader that you can partner with? So trend number 5, dynamic creative optimization is a game changer. A dental manufacturing company I worked with ran AI-powered ads that automatically adjusted headlines and images based on the viewer's behavior. One ad variation increased click-through rates by 40%. It's like having a 24/7 ad manager fine-tuning your campaign in real time. Are your ads this smart yet? And then number 6, social search takeover. Gen Z is ditching Google for TikTok and Instagram and the ChatGPTs of this world. People are starting to search more and more in the ChatGPT than they are on Google. Google is still king, but the others are catching up. And it's becoming more and more diluted. So let me share an example. A B2B event planning company started posting short, attractive videos on their event setup and their event setups on TikTok. They optimized captions with keyword people search for, like modern corporate event ideas, and their organic engagement exploded. A single TikTok post brought in 5 new leads. What keywords could your business leverage on social media to be found by the new wave of searches? So, these trends aren't just predictions, they are happening now, and businesses like yours are already seeing the results. If you want to explore how these strategies could work for your business, let's chat. On the recent call with the founder, we mapped out a plan to integrate AI tools to build a first-party data strategy, and they are already seeing a 15% increase in lead quality. What could we achieve for your business? Book a free strategy call with me using the link in the description. I will see you in the next video.